Hi everyone, Jacqueline here. So you can see what we're doing today. Rob is working his butt off trying to clean this up. The stumps have been grinded, but we do have some really big stumps here to deal with. I'm gonna actually probably have to get another chainsaw to get through these. You can see how huge these are. That was a beast. Spruce has got to be one of the worst trees to clean up. Look at the size of that. And just for perspective, I will show you my hand on it. It doesn't even do it justice. So we started cutting through it, and you can see this one here is very large as well, but look at all the branches from a spruce tree. I swear, like poplars are bad for the roots, but spruces, this one in particular, was the larger of the ones in this area. It was very, very dense. So, and to make matters worse, our trusty Dodge Caravan decided to have some issues, so we can't haul these away until we get fixed, and we couldn't get a part in town, so I had to order one on Amazon. Hopefully it gets here this week and we can fix it. Our weather is changing fast. We're expecting a pile of rain until Monday. This is Saturday, and potential snow. We also had a chainsaw bite the dust as well, so Rob's using the electric right now. I tell you, I would recommend, if you're going to take a tree like this down in the future, pay for somebody to do this from start to finish. Because, I mean, look at all this. Absolute beast. So, of course, I'm not getting any gardening done or planting done at all because I'm helping with this. Get the branches out of the way so he doesn't trip and fall while he cuts it. I did use the chainsaw myself too and took a few branches that they took it away from me because they figured I was going to get it kind of binded in the branches. So, but I did do a few cuts, and pretty easy with the electric, quite honestly. And you're getting some butt crack here, but I mean, it can't be helped because, yeah, you can see how much of a safety hazard dealing with these trees is when you're cleaning up. But ignore the butt crack. It happens. So anyhow, this is what's going on in our yard. This is where we're at. We did end up cutting through a sprinkler line that was underneath the trunk and the roots of the first tree that was taken down. Two different spots. That's the one we found. There was another one right over there. But it feels good to have them down. This is all mulch mixed in with soil that I can use in the garden. And I'll probably mix it into the flower beds. I will mention though, wood ticks just love this natural mulch. So that's the only problem with it. But I do have some tick bombs that I can use in the spring. I also managed to get two of these beautiful aluminum benches. Princess Auto had these on for $77. They're fall clearance. So I got two for in front of the cottage garden. We haven't got them out there yet, of course, because, well, you know, some challenges there to move things over, but we'll eventually get there. If Mother Nature can hold off on winter until November, that would be absolutely ideal for us. So I have no makeup on today, so you're getting to see me without it. I've got dirt on my face and sap on me everywhere. It's just gross. Man, that sap sticks to everything. So anyhow, no glamour moments here. No sexiness at all, other than, you know, the bra strap showing. But this is just the way it is when we do yard stuff. I also had a massage today because my muscles have been extremely sore. So it's been a long, long day. And we've been so busy getting stuff done. Yeah, we're just rushing with the weather. So lots of projects coming, lots of work being done, and we'll see how this goes. But I want to show you a new flower bed that I created and have been working on. I still have a lot of plants to put in, so it's not good with this weather. Kind of sucks, but welcome to the prairies. Zone 3, Saskatchewan, Canada. Our winters can be brutal and they can come very early. But I'm really crossing my fingers that it will wait till we get all of this cleaned up. So much to clean up and deal with. You can see here. So no more work on the hydrangea room until this is cleaned up and we see what kind of time we have left. But yeah, this is what happens when you do stuff yourself. It's a lot of work when you don't have a lot of machinery and stuff. And well, tempers get a little hot around here when chainsaws die, and it can be a struggle. Let's just put it that way. So this is the bed I sheet mulch. This is the latest one. And of course I'm building it so that we have the 9 bark, which is a central glow. So it'll have some beautiful green, lime green, chartreuse green colors in it. So I put that in the center, and then I've taken and staggered my plants by height out. So the tallest in the center, and then as we go to the edge, we're going to have ground cover plants. So as you can see here, I did move some ajuga over here, actually today, because I was planting a coneflower in the front, and I had a spot to put it in. It was in the middle of the ajuga, so I thought, might as well start moving it around now. We've got blue star junipers here. Check these out. These are hardy zones 2 to 7, really tough plants. That is the bluest juniper you're probably ever going to find. They are not a soft plant. The needles are quite rough and pointy, but I have 3 of those I got on sale, so I put those in. I have 2 different kinds of Gaillardia in here. I have the spin tops in the red and yellow, and then the yellow and red. So I kind of staggered them throughout the bed. We have some coneflowers in here of tangerines, reds, pinks, and yellows and whites in here. So that should give a nice contrast. I'm trying to bring in the colors from that bed over here, so you can imagine heucheras are on the list. I have some yarrows in here, and they may get moved, but I have 2 pink, and you can see they're dormant, and then 2 red in this bed to provide some color in here too, and to fill in the gaps. But there's more plants that can go in here. This is going to be a kaleidoscope of color that I think will make the eye pop. I still need to bring in more soil and make this circle much better and edge it all out. We'll see if I get time to do that. But these plants are in here and they should be fine over the winter. These are tough plants. So that's kind of some of the things happening here in the garden. I will give you a bit of an update here. You can see everything's going dormant. We did have frost. We've had some -3s, -5s. You can see the zinnias are finished. There's seeds there that could be collected. Those were just the Bennery giants. Over here, the rose garden, I need to come in here and I'll shoot a video on this. You can see the frost. Look at those leaves and look at the flowers. It's sad to see them go. So I'll come in here, I'll do a video on this and show you how I'm going to prep this for winter. That frost won't hurt them because they're pretty tough. These guys can take probably a -5, 6. I wouldn't want to push it to a 10, that's for sure, Celsius. But we'll prep these girls up and we'll make them look beautiful. And same with the salvias there, which I wanted to move, but they're going to be next year. I just can't do it all. And believe it or not, the darn mosquitoes are still out. So here's a better look from across the yard. You can see the weather changing. A couple hours and it'll start raining. And Oh, I have to thank Rob, man. He worked his ass off doing this. And how he moves these is he puts them on a tarp. You can see him here setting up tarps. And he puts the branches on there and then he pulls them to the front. And we set them on the side yard. And then we would load them into our van, which is sitting right there. So that's the goal. The City Regina's dump, where they take all the tree branches and turn it into mulch, is open till November 1. So that's our timeline to get this done. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry, not a lot of action happening here in some respects, other than Rob going absolutely hard and me helping him move branches out of the way. But this is life on the prairies when you do stuff yourself. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. I noticed not many people are watching the videos, so if you want the videos to keep coming, give me some support, some likes, some comments, and let me know if you do any of this kind of work yourselves too, or if you hire it done. I'm curious. Bye, everybody.